Now, after walking through a field of barley, along the St. Just road for a while, we've now made the short climb up to the Carn Trengwainton, or sometimes known also as Madron Carn. Manhole Splana. Yes, the sun's still shining, but there's a fresh wind as we look back now towards Madron itself, and with Mounts Bay behind. This farm here is called Trengwainton Farm, is it right?
Yeah.
And where exactly is Trengwainton House then?
Man T Trengwainton and Manady Trengwainton a Drifol and Gweithna hag Henu Tir Po Luarto and Kithians Glazic.
Right, so now we'll head back down from the Carn towards the Wishing Well, Madron Wishing Well in Fenton, and to the baptistry down there in that wood, the Wallers in Cosna. Okay, got any more than Ratterthal? Right, so now here we've struggled down through to the Wishing Well. It's in a very marshy, wet position. The lake Glip and Guernek and Gordevis Gans and Gris. It's densely overgrown by trees and vegetation, and we're now inside a very old, ruined stone building. Philip, Pithparan Yuandreheviansma, what exactly is this building?
And the Reheviansma, you and Visidva. St. Madden, the baptistry of St. Madden. Hag Tiail Gwellis in Cornwall na, Nepara Fenton, thanks to the old Cornwall Society after renovating the building and making sure its walls are standing. The water is flowing from that corner over there where the baptistry itself is, the actual font part.
But as I understand it, the actual well is further away still.
Gwir. Ninzizian Fenton I Honin Alma.
And is this place still actually used for baptisms today?
The war in Tab was offereno Grey's Alma, a Bartheneglos Catholic reconcile, had teas methodic array doors Alma pup Nis May. Ragnet Gonis Puar, only one Pithparan.
So the Anglican Church, Catholics and the Methodists all use it at some time or another, and I think actually Wesley himself preached here, is that correct?
Gwir.
No, some of the children here. I saw back at the Wishing Well that there were lots of rags tied to trees. Why is that, do you think?
Well, people make wishes and they tie them on the trees, and it's all to do with St. Audrey.
So why tie them on the trees? What happens?
Well, hopefully your wish will come true.
So it's for good luck. It's a good luck thing, and this is a local tradition, presumably.
Well, actually, St. Audrey started all the tying of cloth to trees, and it's just a sign of the pilgrimage to that particular well, and it obviously spread here to the well of St. Madden.